Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
India can enhance its security, foster economic growth, and establish itself as a global leader in defense innovation by reducing imports and building a strong indigenous defense ecosystem. Startups like Carbon Light contribute to developing that ecosystem by producing composite products for defense and allied applications.
Me and my partner, we both started this company known as Carbon Light Private Limited. So why we started this company is the question a lot of people ask us. So the first thing why we started this company, because we see there's a lot of gap in defense ecosystem. Defense in India is importing lot of products from outside India, which we figured out because we have come across a magazine which shows us the real-time data of how much import we are doing in defense sector. And then Modi ji's message of making India self-reliant has stuck us in our mind, and we thought of doing something about it. Me and my husband, we both are engineers. So we thought of starting a manufacturing based company where we focused on manufacturing lightweight composite product for defense, aerospace, medical and industrial application. When we started developing one product led us to another, and that's how we built the entire company around composites. Few of the products that I like to introduce is antenna system. That is a communication system, closed loop communication channel. This is used by Indian Army. Why we need closed loop communication system is the important thing which everyone need to know. We cannot use BSNL, Airtel or any other network because it is open loop. Our enemies can intercept and understand what our soldiers are talking about. So we need a closed loop communication. So this closed loop, when our soldiers go to areas like forward areas like Ladakh and all, it need to be very lightweight because they have to carry it in our shoulder. So we developed a portable lightweight communication system where a soldier can carry everything on its back, and then it can assembled within few seconds. And then a soldier can communicate with another soldier in the range of 1 kilometer without enemies intercepting what message they are giving to each other. So this is our first product. We have developed some lightweight tripods where you have seen in the war that guns and snipers need to be mounted. So those guns and snipers need to be mounted on a tripod or on a substantial mechanical part. So when we developed this tripod, we thought of making it lightweight. So because the soldier has to carry everything to forward areas. So that also we developed lightweight and very high mechanical properties. That is our second product. Then we have also developed rocket launchers. Earlier, Indian Army used to import it from other countries. So we thought of why not develop this product. So we got this challenge through IDEX and then we developed it. We have done all the user trial. Our trials happened in plains, then in desert area and in high altitude areas, and we are successfully passed all the trials for it. Apart from this, we have other products also. For example, you see drones in India has been revolutionized. So the entire body of the drone frame is made out of composite. That is again a lightweight product. So we are not a drone manufacturer, but we manufacture everything except electronics. So we are mechanical component provider. If you see this product here, so that is a drone frame. That is for agri application. You just need to mount this pesticide body, and then you need to have electronics over it, and then it is good to go, and you can fly it. There are a lot of consultants who approached us, and they are all helpful in one way or another. But we also developed an ecosystem. We also have a team of PhD holders. We have outside help from consultants who can guide us in the process. But yes, there are few helps. There are professors available. There are good people actually who are willing to help you if you ask them the right question. Because oftenly as humans we don't ask questions. We are way too shy to ask questions. We never ask why. We never ask, can you please help me? We keep on waiting that other person will ask the same or other person will offer us. So my mantra is just ask whatever you require. There are a lot of good people in the world, I believe, and in India also there are a lot of good people who really helped us. So right now I work with DPSUs. So DPSUs like Bharat Atomic Research Center, BARC, Bharat Electronics Limited, and there are many others as well. And we also are working directly with Indian Navy, with Indian Army for some of the products. Apart from this, we have these private companies who are our potential customers. Yeah, we are growing pretty good. So each year we are growing about say 100 and 150%. And next year, I think it's good. Like the market seems to be really good for us. And this is a sunrise sector. If you talk about our product, like people are looking for lightweight solutions, and people are looking for a company who can provide them the integration of composites as well as metals. So we are taking a lot of customized product. We are also we are not loving our solutions, whatever we are providing. So we make sure that we visit our customer, we understand their problem, and we provide them with a solution rather than just saying that my product is very good and this is the solution I develop, you have to use it. So we keep on customizing it. That is our strength as well. The impact which we have created, first one is definitely providing jobs. So we have almost 250-300 people working with us, be it white collar and blue collar. The second one is making India self-reliant. Like right now, whatever products I am manufacturing, those are all import substitutes. So earlier, for a product which you have to give, let's say X, now the price of the product that we are providing has decreased substantially. So again, it is a profit to all taxpayers if you talk about that, because defense, whatever procurement you are doing in defense, it is all taxpayers' money. So eventually the price at which you are earlier procuring and now procuring has changed drastically. It has decreased drastically. So this is one of the important thing. And the third aspect which I learned, what we started doing since I started as a entrepreneurship. So I want to help other entrepreneurs. I want to help other students who have any difficulty in getting through work done. If they are going through, let's say if I met today only, I met one of the guy. He said he has filled this IDEX platform. So he said, can you help me with this? I said, definitely. So I will like to help fellow entrepreneurs or fellow students who are in this field because whatever difficulty I have faced, I don't want them to face it. And in fact, if I can be of any help, why not?
The efforts being made by startups like Carbon Light will not only boost indigenous defense production but also help the society.